Okay, I'm reloaded. Big Dappuccino here. I know it's been a while since I did a video, but you know how it is working, living, going through things going on. Um, yeah, just happy to be still living, breathing, walking, talking. You think that what you got and going on in your life is rough until you find out, turn on the news or turn on whatever. You hear all types of stuff. So, and of course, this hobby is like a refuge for me. I kind of took a break, fell back. So, the stuff I got on this show and tell 161 video, really, I got it when I was going back and forth to the grocery store, when I had to go pick up food, other necessities. Wasn't necessarily going out to a retail spot like Target or Walmart, specifically hunting or definitely Hobby Lobby. I was basically going to Safeway grocery store. I think, yeah, everything came from Safeway. I think, and two different trips. Stuff just popped up. They had a shipper for the Hot Wheels, and I found another one of these. They're not very popular for some reason when I do videos, even though I've never seen. I haven't. Maybe I need to do a search or something. Haven't seen anybody review these motorcycles. Maybe I'm in the minority, and probably I'm the only one that likes these. I have seen somebody else say they like them too, but found another one of these Wellies uh, street bikes. This is a Suzuki 118 scale. Favorite colors blue and white. In fact, I saw another one on my second trip to the store later in the same week I got this one, and I wanted to pick it up, but I really don't have no room over here. So I don't know. I have to decide, do I want that one? And this is the GSX R750. And I saw the, I think the GXS S1000F. That's the one I saw. But I like this one. It's got a lot of detail, and it'll be fun to see this on odds and ends. Or some of them like, but I like them, and I learned to collect what you like. You know, you never know. Just can't follow the trends. Some people out here just going after any kind of chases just to say they have them. Super treasure hunts, regular treasure hunts, ultra reds, white lightnings, and what's the other one? Green machines and M2 chases too. But yeah, they'll go through, pay people off if they got to, and ship and receiving whatever, just to go through the cases, just to get them. But we're gonna stick to our first love and just try to keep it humble over here. Get back to what this hobby, the essence of what it's all about. So, haven't found main lines on the shipper. Like I said, this is from the accumulation of 2 weeks and these main lines, and they busted open a case, but they didn't do like they used to do. They used to just dump them in the dump bin, and the case would be underneath, or they just dump the whole case out, and that's how I was able to find super treasure hunts and treasure hunts in the past. So, but now they're just doing it on the shipper, so it's kind of harder now to find such things because now they're just, as I guess as the shipper depletes, they replace, you know, little by little. So I mean, if I find a regular treasure hunt, super treasure hunt, so be it. I mean, I'm not pressed over that stuff anymore. I have quite a few. I have, like, I think, what I have, like five, probably have like 4 or 5. I think I have 5 supers. And I probably have more regular treasure hunts. But that's good enough for me. And I got a couple of green machines. I got like 4 green machines. Couple arrow cars too. I got 2 of them. But it's all good. Let's talk about these main lines. First, we got a Hot Wheels. All of these gonna be Hot Wheels main line. This is the Aston Martin V12 Speedster from Factory Fresh. I think I don't have this one in the black. I think I ran across one in the white that I gave away, and I think I kept one that was gray or silver. I'm not sure. Hopefully, you know, main lines. This is definitely something I was looking out for. I kind of forgot about, but I remember seeing on somebody's channel who always reviews the previews the newer cases before they get ready to open it, or they get the cases sent to them. It's a Batman Forever Batmobile from the Batman series. This one's from Batman Forever movie. And it's not probably the most popular movie. Yeah. But it's good to have this one because I didn't have one of these in my collection, at least not from that movie. I have a lot of Batmobiles, but not one from this movie. So it's pretty cool. Hope they do a premium version. Next, we have the Corvette C7 Z06 convertible from HW Roadsters. Of course, I love Corvettes. You know, ain't no chance of me buying one now. But it's still cool to look at and like the body style, whatever. This is a Ford Escort RS 2000 Retro Races, and this got me because this says new for 2023. So that let me know that they had a newer case. And this is pretty cool because I play Forza, and it's got mismatched wheels. I think it's supposed to be like that because it's showing it on the thing. So they're starting to get more like that. Because before you found something like this, oh, this is an era car. Now they're just doing the cars like that because people have been either faking them or finding them genuinely in the wild, just mistakes where they ran out one kind of wheel and put the other wheel up there. So this is cool. And like I said, I play Forza Horizon 5. This car is in there. You know, the dirt races, rally type races. It's kind of cool. I think that's supposed to be a 77 too. Yeah, 77 Ford Escort RS 2000. We got this Mazda 787B from Retro Races. Retro Races, I'm sorry. I had this in a premium. They released, I think I have 2 of them. And again, they got the mixed match wheels because they figure people like them, it's popular. So they normalized it. And it's pretty cool. It's got the Goodyear livery on it. It's pretty cool. And what we have right here is the 2023 Nissan Z from HWJ Import. So it's no longer the prototype. This is the official car. So I guess, I don't know if they're still using the same casting. Looks a little different. The lights in the back. I might be tripping. I'll have to compare them. But it's cool to have this in blue. I think I just had found one in yellow or either red. I'm not sure. Next, we have the 2017 Pagani. I think this is, I forgot how to pronounce this. Is it Hayura Roadster. That might be wrong. That's a Pagani Roadster. And from HW Roadster series. I seen this car in like blue. I think I seen one in silver. And now we got one in white, which is very clean. That's something I ain't seen in a while. We got the Porsche 911 GT3 from the Factory Fresh series. And we got some, they did the tail lights on the back. They usually skimp on that, but it's pretty cool. I guess the wheels could be better, but oh well. They look deep dish up there, but they're not deep dish right here, so it's pretty cool. So I think that's like a matte gray, not a matte black or matte gray. I'll find out when we pop it open. And next we got a casting that I've gotten very much used to. And now they're already, I guess did they ever put taillights on this one? This one don't have taillights. It's a 2020 Toyota GR Supra Then and Now series. So that means it's a Toyota Supra out there probably to look similar, probably from the 90s. So that'd be cool. Yeah. I have a premium version. It's not a Hot Wheels, but it's a mini GT. And it got the Volvo P1800 gasser, or 1800 gasser, however you want to say it. HW Dream Garage series. This is from the Legends Tour thing, so it's based on a real car. I think I've seen a video of this car too. Well, hopefully you do a framing of this. This is pretty cool. They the gas are in everything now, so that's pretty good. That's pretty much it, man. It's, you know, short and sweet. Not nothing, you know, too dramatic. Like I always say in my videos, sometimes I have 3 pieces. Sometimes I might get up to 30. I'm learning to cut that up. Maybe do 15 in one video, 15 in the next video, or something like that. Or divide it between mainline and premium. But just trying to put out the best content I can, because it's been people who inspired me to do this. There was a time when I thought I wouldn't be successful with the channel, you know. I was like, who want to see me, you know? I don't, you know, have any good hookups or anything like that. I'm just a blue collar collector, and I try to do the best I can. Sometimes I feel it, sometimes I don't. I'm not always on the pegs. I just don't. And then I'm not monetized, so everything's pretty much coming out my pocket. So it can be an expensive hobby. So it is what it is. And like I always say, this is not the best diecast channel. It's not the worst either. The model here show a little love for the diecast. I want to thank the subscribers for holding me down. Been getting some awesome views. As far as like random viewers that come across this video, I encourage you to subscribe, hit the notification button, leave a like behind, even give a comment, feedback. I can always use improvement, and just basically taking it day by day, man. Most people have a holiday coming up, but I'll be working because I work in a museum in DC. So yeah, been kind of chilling since the after the New Year's, because that whole holiday season was kind of rough. on us as far as viewership, and it's good because that's job security. But yeah, probably getting into more of like training and working on some certain stuff that's going on. And I think I have a day off coming up in like maybe a week or two. So I don't know. If I leave early from work, I'll probably hit the Walmart near my job, which I haven't hit in almost, I don't think it's probably been close to 6 months. So see what they're doing over there. Last time I went over there, it was not that good. But the good thing about that uh, area is not too many collectors, even though I'm noticing it is a college nearby, a couple colleges nearby to be honest. So I don't know if picked up like some collectors over the years, so or over the past year or two. So it is what it is. More younger people moving to that area. But yeah, just want to thank everybody for tuning in because you could have been watching any other channel. Like I said, this is a small channel. There are people who have millions of subscribers. There are people who have hundreds of thousands of subscribers. Yeah, I only have, I think, right at this point, I'm like at, I'm at 400 something. I think I am. Yeah, I think I am over 400. So it'd be nice to get to five, but I'm about 300. I don't know. I know I'm not at 500, and that's where I want to be. It'll be cool, definitely cool to get to 1,000, but step by step, that's the way life goes. So until the next time, Big Dappuccino signing out. This has been Show and Tell number 161. Peace and blessings.